Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are fine and safe at home and you are being benefited by my videos. Thank you for your subscriptions, your likes and your comments. Now today we are going to see articles from 5th onwards, the use of a, an and the in detail. Now we'll see first uses of indefinite articles a. First point, before a singular word that begins with a consonant. We use a when the word is singular and the word begins with a consonant. That means here, for example, cattle. So K is a consonant. So when there is a singular number and the word starts with a consonant, we use a. Second point, before a word beginning with a vowel that gives a sound, constant sound, v sound, your sound, y sound, like a university. Though here we see that in university it begins with a vowel, but it gives the sound of a consonant, university, union, your sound. Then a is used and it is singular. In all the cases you see they are singular. Third point, before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time. Okay, that means before a singular countable noun, suppose car is a singular noun. When it is mentioned for the first time, suppose in the sentence there are two sentences and we are talking about the same thing, then in the first part of the sentence we use a if the number is singular and countable, like a new car. Now here in the second part we have not used a because we are talking about the same thing. Fourth point, before half when it follows a whole number, otherwise after half. Means if we say 1.5 pages, 1.5 page, 3.5 kilos, 3.5 kilo. So when we are talking about half, when it follows the whole number, otherwise after half, means before half also and after half also we use a, like 1.5 pages, 3.5 kilos, half a liter means after half, half a day after half, and in the first part before half. Then fifth point, before a proper noun to point out unfamiliar person, or if we want to give a special meaning to the name, like a Sumit Mahajan called last evening. Here proper noun is Sumit Mahajan and this is also singular number. So we are using a Sumit Mahajan. And or if we want to give a special meaning to the name, like suppose she wants to be a Sania Nehwal when she grows up. That means she wants to be like Sania Sehwal, and Sania Nehwal is singular number. So here when we want to give special meaning to the name, suppose a boy is there in the class and we give him the name Sachin Tendulkar because he used to play cricket very well. So here a is used. Next point, with an expression of quantity. Quantity means kitna, how much, a lot of time, a good deal of money, a costly machine. Now here you see a lot of time, this is also singular, but here because it is mentioned as singular, so a lot of time is mentioned as a singular and it is used a before lot. That means with an expression of quantity, a lot, this is the quantity. Okay, good deal of money, quantity. Then a costly machine, costly, quantity. Now what Seventh point, with certain numbers. With certain numbers, for example, a 5 rupee note. That means there is only 1 rupee which is of 5. So it will be considered as singular number. अगर उसमें और 5 के नोट होते तो that will be considered as plural numbers. So a is used in singular numbers. So a 5 rupee note, a 7-minute video, not more than that. 8th point, in exclamation before nouns. In exclamation before nouns means when we are using exclamatory marks before the noun, a is used if it is a singular, such a mess. Okay, what a day. Now I have not said days, so here day is considered as singular, and because of this a is used before the day and then the exclamatory mark. Now we will see uses of indefinite article an. Now a is also an indefinite article and an is also considered as your indefinite article. Now we will see the first point where we use an. Before a word beginning with a vowel like an ant, a is a vowel. Here an oven, o is a vowel. So when the word starts with a vowel, then we use an, and it will also be considered as singular number, in singular number. That means in a and in both cases the article will be used in singular numbers, but in an there should be a vowel before the word. The next point, before a word that begins with a silent h, means h is silent. We like r, हावर नहीं बोलेंगे, honor, honor नहीं बोलेंगे. So here we see that the h is silent in r, h is silent in honor. So here if h is silent, then you see there is a vowel. So here this is singular, this is singular, so an is used. Next point, before individual letters that have a vowel sound, okay, like an MA student, a sound is coming. So a is a vowel. So here it is saying individual letters like MA student, individual है. Which student? MA student. An MLA from Jharkhand. Who from Jharkhand? Particular individual and MLA. So a sound is coming in MLA, a sound is coming in MA. So here we will use an, and they are all singulars. Now till now we have seen the indefinite articles a, an. Now we will see the definite article the. What do you mean by definite? When we are confirmed of. Like first point, before things that are one of a kind. That means one. उसके अलावा कोई दूसरा piece नहीं है. Like the sun. Now there is no other sun in the sky. The moon, the earth. Now there are no other moon and earth in the world, in the universe. So here it is saying before things that are one of a kind, singular. Then second point, when we refer to a particular thing, okay, like the Chandrayaan went to the moon. Now here the Chandrayaan is a particular thing, okay, so that is why we are using the, and in things also we use basically the. Third point, before a noun that has already been referred to before. Before a noun that has been already, means suppose there are two sentences in one part. So in first part we will use a, because we are using child here, singular number. So a child bought a new umbrella. Now we are talking here about the same child, so we will use the child lost the umbrella in the park. Now here we will not say a child bought an umbrella, it's okay. A child lost, no, we will not say a child, because here we are talking about the same child. Next point, before superlative degrees. Like positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. What are superlative degrees? When we talk more about more than two, like the most powerful, the tallest, the worst. Now these are the superlative degrees. So with the superlative degrees, we use the. Before ordinal that are used as adjectives. What are ordinals? First, second, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the adjectives. The first, man. The second, bag. Okay, now here second is considered as your adjective. Which man? First man. Which bag? Second bag. So here second, first, third is considered as your adjective, and before the ordinals. Now these are considered as your ordinals, first, second, third. So before the ordinals, the is used. The next point, when a singular noun is used to talk about the whole group. Okay, अगर जैसे collective noun होता है, then singular noun. The whale is the largest mammal on the earth. Now whale is not considered as one here. It is a collective one, because it is talking about the whole group of whales. So here we will use the. Sometimes the rich exploit the poor and the needy. Now here we are talking about all the rich people. So here rich is considered as talking about the whole group. So here the will be used before the noun. Next point, before proper nouns naming rivers, seas, oceans, group of islands, range of mountains, universities, monuments, special buildings. Okay, like the Thames, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. We use the in the cases where we are mentioning about rivers, seas, oceans, islands, mountains, universities, monuments, and buildings. Next is omission of article. Now what do you mean by omission? Omission means when we are not using any of the articles. First point, the names of people in most cases. Okay, like Mr. John Kennedy, MS Dhoni. Now we will not say a John Kennedy, the John Kennedy. No, because here it is most cases means popular ones. Then second point, the names of continent, countries, states, cities, and towns. We will not use any of the articles and or the. Like Asia is the biggest continent. So here we will not say an Asia. No, because here with the names of continents, countries, states, cities, towns, we don't use any of the articles. Then the next point, the names of days and months. Wherever we are mentioning about the days and months, we don't use any of the articles. We will not say we came on a Friday, we came on an Friday, we came on the Friday. No, we came on Friday. So there is no need of using any of the articles before the days and months. Next point, the names of seasons, language, subjects, body parts, games. Like spring, Japanese, economics, nails, cricket. Now we will not use any of the articles. Now we will see repetition of articles. What do you mean by repetition? When we repeat the article again and again in one sentence. First point, when two or more adjectives describe the same noun. जब दो adjectives or more than adjectives are talked and describing the same noun and are connected by and, the article is used only before the first adjective. कितनी बार भी हम adjective use करेंगे उसमें in every case before the noun we will not use article, but we will use article only before the first one, the first adjective. Like here is a red and yellow flower. So here you see colors. We are using and is used between them. So here in the first part we will use a, because here it is singular number and the word is starting with consonant. So here in the first part we will use a, but in the other part we will not use any article. Then next point, when two or more adjectives describe different nouns, the article is used before each adjective. अगर हम कई adjectives को describe करते हैं, then and when there are more than one noun, like both the outer and the inner. Now here you see adjective outer, inner. Two adjectives are used and it is describing different one. Outer means बाहर का, inner means अंदर का. Okay, so both are different, both are described differently. So both the outer and it is added with and the inner walls of the castle. Now here these are nouns, different nouns used in one sentence. The castles are carefully guarded. Next point, when two or more nouns refer to same subject. When two or more nouns, एक या दो से ज़्यादा nouns एक ही object को करते हैं, the article is usually used before the first noun. Like in the first case, is used. In the same manner, here the is used before the first noun. Like Mr. Jain is the treasurer and chairman of our club. And तो use हो ही रहा है, ठीक है? But we are describing two things about him, treasurer and chairman. So in the first part we will use the. When two or more nouns refer to different subjects. Now here Mr. Jain is subject in the third point. Here when nouns refer to different subjects, the article is used before each noun. Okay, the parents. Now here subject is parents and teacher and children. So here the parents and the teachers of the children were called to the meeting. Here we will use the before each noun. The parents, the teacher, the children, the meeting. Okay, I hope you have understood this much. Then fifth point, when comparing of two nouns refer to same subject. When comparing two nouns, अगर two nouns हैं and we are referring to the same subject, the article is used only before the first noun. Like Napoleon Bonaparte was a greater soldier than statesman. Now here we are talking about one subject, that is Napoleon. So before the first we will use a greater and we will not use in the second quality of the person. I hope you have understood what are articles. Please do like and share my channel, Mahi English Classes. Thank you.